Question number 2, exercise 9.3, question number 2, he said 258, sequence given is AP, series given is AP, and its last term is also given here. Its last term is also given. So Sn is n by 2 first term plus last term. But to use this formula, we must know the value of n. So to find n, first we'll use Tn, that is a plus n minus 1d. Tn given is 182, a is 2, and d is 5 minus 2, that is 3. So n minus 1 is 60. We got n is equal to 61. Then we can use Sn, n upon 2 first plus last. So we got it 61 into 184 divided by 2. So 61 into 92. So we got it 5612. Next question is, he said Sn. In an AP, Sn is given by this. If we put 1 here, 2 here, 3, 4, and so on. Now see, what is this? See the concept here. Suppose we have a sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, 12. This is what is AP. In AP, it is term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4, term 5, and so on. If we are taking the sum up to first term is 2, sum of first two terms is 6. Then sum up to 3 terms S3, this is S1, S2, then S3. Sum up to 3 terms will be 12. S4 will be 20. S5 will be 32, and so on. Now from the terms we can find the sequence of sums. From the sequence of sums, how we will get the sequence of terms? That is, S1 will be equal to T1, S2 will be, T2 will be equal to S2 minus S1. That is 6 minus 2, we will get again 4. T3 will be equal to S3 minus S2. That is 12 minus 6, next will be 6. See, now we are getting the sequence of your terms. This is sequence of your sums. So T4 is S4 minus S3, that is 8. So that means if you need to find any term, that will be sum of that minus sum up to previous terms. This is the concept. If you need to find fifth term, then S5 minus S4. See, S5 here is 32 and S4 is 20. We got it 12. Term 5 will be 12. So this is the concept. So now S1 is given. T1 will be equal to S1. T2 will be equal to S2 minus S1. T3 will be equal to S3 minus S2. T4 will be equal to S4 minus S3 and so on. Now he asked you that find A2. A2 means second term, that is 4 here. That is what is your answer. Any term you can find. T and A represents the same thing. Just note it down.